Heather Chapman. Youth sports has played a pivotal role in my life, and I'm sure there's many people in the audience who feel the same way. Taylor & Sons feels it's important to give back and support youth athletics, and holds the Sandpoint Football Foundation and the Sandpoint program close to a lifelong relationship with Coach Knowles, many members of his staff, and myself and my two brothers, Chad and Tucker, being former players in the Sandpoint program. Through the support of the community, the hard work of the players, and the commitment from their parents and caregivers, the Sandpoint Football Foundation is able to leverage Taylor & Sons donation to enrich the experience of over 170 youth participants in the 7th through 12th grades.
Woo!
I want to thank you for the support of over 170 of our kids.
Woo! Yeah, Brett!
Now, let's have Jane Taylor pull the winner of a brand new 2021 Chevrolet Colorado truck.
Yeah, Jane! That's my daughter.
May I have a drum roll from the percussion section?
Take her roll up. Mine's going to be dancing in a minute.
Oh, nice. There we go. Brand new truck.
He's like, no, Dad, I want it. I'm reading it.
Oh, geez, she's such a little stinker.
That's awesome.
And the winner is Mary Heck. Congratulations, Mary, on your brand new truck. Thank you, everyone, for your support of this program.